Alright, so there's the defrost of the Ammastar. 2018 3.5 ton. Here's the new gunman. I'm gonna try to get it if I ever come back on. Hopefully it's up. So like, it was off, and I was over there keeping an eye on those until this was turned on. I didn't hear it turned on. I came over here, I heard it in defrost, so I was like, oh shoot. And then I started filming. It was crooked, like it was sideways, like that. So I had to stop the camera and do it like this. So that's why you didn't get much of it. But yeah, I gotta end the video because someone just survived. So yeah, I guess out.